Everyone tells you to save more, spend less, cut back, drink less. But here's the thing, that advice barely moves the needle for most people because the problem was never how much you spend, it's what you spend it on. You could be saving diligently every month and still be leaking hundreds, even thousands of pounds a year on stuff that gives you nothing back. Let's fix that. The average UK household is paying for subscriptions they forgot they even signed up for, streaming services nobody watches, apps that renewed automatically, gym memberships gathering dust. On their own, each one looks harmless. £4.99 here, £9.99 there. Add it up over a year, and you're often looking at £300 to £600 quietly leaving your account for nothing. The fix isn't cutting everything, it's a 5-minute audit. Go through your bank statement, find every recurring charge, and ask, did I actually use this in the last 30 days? If you're only ever paying the minimum on a credit card, you're not managing debt, you're feeding it. Minimum payments are calculated to keep you paying interest for as long as possible. A balance that could be cleared in a year can stretch to 5 or more, and the interest paid over that time can end up costing more than what you originally borrowed. If this is you, the move is simple. Pay above the minimum wherever you can, even by £20 to £30 a month. It cuts years off the payoff time. Food delivery apps, daily coffee shop runs, grabbing lunch out because you didn't prep. None of these are bad on their own. The problem is when convenience becomes the default instead of the exception. A £6 meal deal 5 days a week is over £1,500 a year, money that could be going toward an emergency fund or a house deposit instead of quietly disappearing one lunch at a time. This is the one nobody wants to admit. A lot of spending isn't planned, it's emotional. Stressful day, quick online order. Bored on the sofa, another Amazon parcel. It's not that treating yourself is wrong, it's that spending on autopilot without noticing the pattern adds up to real money with nothing to show for it. The fix isn't guilt, it's awareness. Track it for 2 weeks and you'll see the pattern yourself. None of this is about spending less for the sake of it. It's about redirecting the money that's already leaking out, the subscriptions, the minimum payments, the convenience purchases, toward things that actually move you forward. Same income, same lifestyle, mostly, just fewer leaks. If even one of these hit home, comment which one you're fixing first. Subscriptions, minimum payments, convenience spending, or the emotional stuff. I read every comment and I'll probably do a follow-up on whichever one comes up most. If you want more honest UK money breakdowns like this every week, hit subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow right now.